Okay, so far we've used a gauge, we've marked a nice level line, we've put on our membrane using the fixings in either the overlap or where we're taping wherever possible. We've kept it quite taut because we don't want too many creases and stuff in the membranes. We have to deal with that when we're taping. Okay, it's very important that we don't have little tubes of air and air leakage through the tape. And a lot of that is caused by creasing. We've taken our waste, which we've used when we trimmed the door, and we've reused it in taping and patching the top of the door. Once we've done that, once again we're using the fixings at the edge, so we tape over the fixings as we go. Nice and tight into the corners. Use something every time to keep that really nice and square, because otherwise you will struggle. So nice and square to prevent puncturing during window and door fitting. Making sure you've got good overlaps on your membrane, well taped. Double check your taping. It doesn't take seconds to check your tape, but you want to make sure that every little crease and every little hole has got some form of tape or overlap to prevent air leakage. It is so important. Attention to detail can make the difference of passing or failing an air test. Well, what happens when you fail an air test? It does happen on occasion. Things get forgotten. A soil vent pipe hasn't been sealed up. An MVHR pipe needed capping off. Or a service somewhere hasn't been airtighted correctly or taped over the end during the test. Traps in sinks, in baths, if you're at that stage when you air test. If it fails, could simply be no water in the traps and has got a direct line to the soil pot. There's a number of things. The easiest way, if you get failed, is to pub air in and use a smoke pencil. Yeah, a little pencil, and you can follow with the smoke, and you can walk around your junctions and follow smoke, and you will locate where you've got a potential leak. And usually, 9 times out of 10, it's simply because we've forgotten to tape a service or penetration somewhere. Or somebody's put a hole in it and not told you. But it's a good way of locating and dealing with any potential leaks is during the testing. So, air tightness, keep it taut, look at your fixings, look at your overlaps, and double check your tape.